Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for box break number 96 for a single box of 1112 Pinnacle. The time's 10:44 on the 14th of April. 14th of April. And here's the box. Alright. Lots of packs. Let's get ourselves a patch card. Nice private signing. Maybe both. All the Pinnacle cards, actually. All the Pinnacle inserts and case hits and stuff that I've never had cases of this. I've never got a Pantheon card. One of these days, I will pull a Pantheon card. Good luck to everybody. Our first hit is for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Jonas Gustafsson, Reds. Both memorabilia cards are done. Both goalies. Nicholas Backstrom of the Minnesota Wild. Last Pinnacle box that I broke. Got the Oilers starting 6 instead of the auto, but there were 3 other jersey cards. Very unique, very rare for this product. Canvas Creation, James Reimer, also of the Leafs. Base pack. Islanders, Michael Grabner, Breakthrough. Hate that card. This set, I think, has some nice enough action shots for a lot of the cards. But man, that Ryan Miller and the I'll pull it eventually. That freaking flurry card with the stupid helmet. Freaking we'll see it in a sec, I'm sure. Ottawa Senators, the Stefan DaCosta rookie card. Alright, lots of base cards. Try this stack instead. That's a nice little hit. As far as the inserts in this product go, for the Anaheim Ducks, the Captain's C, Ryan Getzlaf. Ryan Getzlaff with the Ducks. Oh, another hit for the Leafs. The Ben Scrivens rookie card. Ben Scrivens rookie card. If anybody gets base cards of this, even though this is Kevin BX's base card, there's friggin' Luongo. Luongo shows up in more cards, I swear, as pseudo people. Blows my mind. Jeff Skinner, breakthrough for the Carolina Hurricanes. Sorry about the rambling. Looking forward to find out what that autograph in here is going to be. Hopefully we get one, that is. Alright, the last of the breakthroughs. Louis Eriksson for the Stars. Another base pack. This one feels a little thicker. Hopefully it's a nice starting 6 card. And it's just a thicker than usual spacer. Sorry for the psychic, folks. Well, pack also feels thicker. We have a Columbus Blue Jackets, Antoine Vermette. This is a rink collection. Obviously, he's not a rookie at this point, but that is a hit. Tough times for the Stars. Shane Sherla. Oh, look, it's Roberto Luongo. Getting scored on. Alright. This box is making us work for our last. Starting off strong, it's a little dry at times. For the Ducks, Devontae Smith-Pelly. Devontae Smith-Pelly rookie card. the Wild, Brett Bulmer rookie card. Alright, last pack. So, this last pack, I think we're going to have an auto. And I can see that it's going to be a private signings. It is a private signings for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. On card, private signings. Now this is not serial number. They're only serial numbered if they're 1 of 1 and they're the Platinums. Love those cards. I started a collection of private signing cards, and I believe I have every one for the people who are no longer in the NHL. Awesome. Thanks, everybody. There's nothing to random here. We'll see you again soon.